In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view, filter, and export your order history on Binance. If you've ever needed to review your past trades, check whether an order is still pending, or download a statement for your records, Binance makes that process fairly straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through both the website and the mobile app so you can find the same information no matter which device you're using. If you're on the Binance website, start by looking at the top right corner of the screen and click Orders. From there, choose either spot order or futures order, depending on the type of trading activity you want to review. Once that page opens, look to the menu on the left-hand side and select Order History. This is where you'll be able to see your completed and past orders in more detail. If you're using the Binance app instead, the path is a little different but still simple. Open the app and tap Markets or Trades. Then look for the document or order icon in the top right corner of the screen and tap it. After that, select Order History. This will bring you to the section where your previous order activity is listed. If what you need is not past orders, but orders that are still waiting to be filled, go to that same area and switch to the Open Orders tab. This section is useful for checking any active orders that haven't completed yet, so if you're wondering whether an order is still pending, this is the place to confirm it. If you don't immediately see the order you're looking for, don't worry. In many cases, Binance may be showing only a limited time range or a specific trading pair by default. To widen your search, use the date and pair filter dropdowns. Expanding the date range to something like the past 3 or 6 months can help you locate older orders more easily. Adjusting the trading pair filter can also be useful if you placed orders in different markets and want to narrow down or broaden the results. If you need a copy of your order history for tracking, reporting, or personal records, Binance also gives you an export option on the web version. In the top right corner, click Export, choose the date range you want, and then download the file as a CSV or PDF statement. That gives you a more organized record you can save and review offline. That's how to find your order history, check open orders, apply filters, and export your records on Binance.